All right, in our last video, we talked about the fundamental counting principles. We talked about tree diagrams, how you illustrate the different ways that things can happen. We've talked about permutations, where the order matters, how many ways you can order a certain number of objects, even if you don't look at all of them, just some of them. Okay. This video will kind of wrap up our discussion about combinations, which is where the order does not matter. Okay, if I look at having n objects and I'm taking r of them, and I don't care what the order is, I just want to have that many objects, I'm looking at a combination. Okay, and our calculator, if you hit math and then the left arrow, you'll see this symbol. Okay, it's done on our calculator that way. Our textbook has it written this way, and we'll come back to some formulas that have that notation in them. Also, if you're moving on to some more math in college, you'll see and choose R, the way it's written, this is much more common in college. Okay, the formula is similar to the permutation formula. We're just dividing by R factorial. And the reason that is we're subtracting out all the ways that those R objects that we chose can be ordered. And so now we're dividing by an extra R factorial to get the number of combinations of R objects out of N objects. Okay, so if you're selecting 9 athletes to start from a team of 15 athletes. Now, in my mind, the order that you choose them doesn't matter. They either start or they don't. Okay, so this is a combination. I'll write it the way that we will see in our textbook more often. 15 choose 9. Whoops, sorry, there's no division symbol. 15 choose 9, which the equation is 15 factorial over 15 minus 9 factorial times 9 factorial. Okay, now that is 15 factorial over 6 factorial, 9 factorial. Okay, now there's ways we can simplify that first, but since I have a calculator, I'll just plug that into my calculator. Okay, and I get 5005. Okay, now again, you could use the NCR formula. So you type in 15, NCR 9, and hit enter, and it'll give you this number as well. Okay, how many ways can you choose 5 numbers from a deck of 52 cards? I guess it'd be 5 cards from a deck of 52 cards. I'm going to use this symbol this time, and it's going to be 52 NCR. No, I probably shouldn't write like that. 52 choose 5, which by the way is 52 choose 5. And just use that in my calculator. 52 math 3 5, and I get a huge number. 2 5 9 8 9 6 0. So 2,598,660, which is the number of possible ways to, I guess, get 5 cards in a deck of 52, like poker. Okay, I want you to pause for a second before you go on to the next video and summarize these ideas. What ideas really stand out to you? What were the main ideas in this lesson? And also, before you go on, I'd recommend that you try the practice problems that accompany video 1.